Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Professor Nuts honored with 14 Karat Gold Award.
You want to say something? No, you sing so sweet. Do you take this awful man to be your awful baby?
That's Carl Wellington, popularly known as
Professor Nut, Mr. Rogodat, aka Mr. Ooh Baby. Yes, you know? And you want more name than that? You want Carl Wellington too?
a man with many names and a musical catalog that spans over 4 decades. A lyrical genius is one way many would describe him, but to some, he is
sweet, honest, talented, creative,
honorable, humble, and a gentleman. He's just a superhuman being.
charismatic, lyrically potent, well-dressed. That man is always well turned out. His clothing, his suit, everything matching.
All kind words from members of the music fraternity and the entertainment and cultural landscape for the 2024 recipient of the 14 Karat Gold Mike Award, which was held at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center over the weekend.
Growing up and listening to Professor Nuts, back in the days you had to have a Professor Nuts cassette. You know, it was played in almost every taxi you used to take, every bus, every little crevice and corner downtown. It was a Professor Nuts. So, for him to be honored today and getting a 14K golden microphone, I think he really and truly deserves this award.
Professor Nuts is one of my influences. I've said it a million times. The first DJ contest I won at school, I was 8 years old, Hope Valley. I actually did a Professor Nuts song, Tansawak it was. And so for him to reach out to me and let me know about this thing happening, I gave him a word that I would be here, and so here I am.
Getting this award to me is one of the best things could ever happen to an artist, which this is history, because I've never heard of them giving away golden, something of gold, of value to an artist, and I'm elated to know that I am the one who they choose to give it to, believe it or not. Oh man, it's a glorious moment.
In 2022, the Ministry of Culture and Entertainment made public its intention on establishing a state-of-the-art Reggae Hall of Fame Museum and Performance Arts Center in Kingston that would honor some of the musical geniuses and luminaries. Meanwhile, the 2024 recipient of the award, Professor Nuts, calls for more recognition for reggae artists.
It's a $1 billion industry. Jamaica, you come, you do your thing, and when you're dead, you're dead. Them have to put up something there. Where is he now? We don't want that again.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.